Fans of the hit TLC series 1000 LB Sisters are in complete shock as news breaks that Amanda Halterman, one of the most beloved and outspoken cast members, is reportedly stepping away from the show to launch her very own podcast. Amanda, who has quickly become a fan favorite for her witty one-liners, protective nature toward her sisters Tammy and Amy Slayton, and her no-nonsense approach to life, is allegedly preparing to embark on a brand new journey that could change everything for her in the entire 1000 LB Sisters franchise. This shocking development comes just as the series continues to gain momentum, leaving fans wondering what could have motivated Amanda to leave the show that made her a household name. According to insiders close to the family, Amanda has been contemplating this major career shift for several months. While she has always enjoyed filming the reality series and sharing her family's story with the world, she reportedly feels that she's ready to have her own platform where she can speak freely, discuss topics she's passionate about, and connect with her audience on a deeper level without the restrictions of reality TV editing. The podcast, which is rumored to be in its final planning stages, is expected to cover a variety of topics including family life, health struggles, relationships, and even some behind-the-scenes tea from 1000 LB Sisters. Fans are already buzzing with excitement about the possibility of Amanda sharing unfiltered insights about her famous siblings, including Tammy's dramatic weight loss journey and Amy's new life after her split from Michael Halterman. Amanda's presence on 1000 LB Sisters has been nothing short of iconic since her first appearance. Known for her hilarious commentary, tough love, and unwavering support for her sisters, she quickly became a fan favorite despite not being an original main cast member. Her scenes often brought levity to the show's more emotional and dramatic moments, making her departure all the more heartbreaking for fans. Viewers have praised Amanda for being authentic and relatable, often stepping in to defend Tammy or Amy when tensions ran high within the family. Losing such a dynamic personality could leave a noticeable void in the series, and some fans are already worried that the show might not feel the same without her. The decision to start a podcast might not come as a total surprise to those who follow Amanda closely on social media. Over the past few months, she has been teasing her followers with cryptic posts about exciting projects and new adventures coming soon. Recently, Amanda even asked her fans what kind of content they would like to hear from her if she were to start her own show. Many commented that they would love to hear her talk about real-life struggles, self-confidence, funny family stories, and the truth about life behind the cameras of reality TV. With so much interest already brewing, Amanda's potential podcast launch could become a major success right from the start. Meanwhile, speculation is swirling about how Amanda's departure might affect the future of 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has not officially confirmed her exit, but if the rumors are true, the show will lose one of its most magnetic personalities. Some fans worry that without Amanda's humor and relatability, the series might lean too heavily on Tammy and Amy's ongoing health journeys, which have at times been emotionally exhausting for viewers to follow. Others, however, believe Amanda leaving for her own podcast could actually benefit the franchise, as it could spark more interest in her personal brand and drive viewers to support both the show and her new venture. What makes this situation even more dramatic is the timing. Tammy Slayton is currently navigating a major transformation following her life-saving weight loss surgery, and Amy Slayton is adjusting to life as a single mother after her highly publicized breakup. Amanda has been a pillar of strength for both sisters during these turbulent times, and her absence might create emotional ripples in both the family and the show's storyline. Fans are also wondering if Amanda's podcast will feature her sisters as guest stars, which could give audiences an entirely new way to follow their lives outside of the traditional TLC format. Industry insiders suggest that Amanda's move could be strategic, allowing her to take control of her narrative while exploring new revenue streams beyond reality television. Podcasting has become a booming industry, and with her growing fan base, Amanda could easily turn her personality into a successful business. If her podcast takes off, it could even lead to additional projects like live shows, guest appearances, or collaborations with other reality TV stars. For someone as candid and naturally entertaining as Amanda, the opportunities are practically endless. Fans have already taken to social media to express their feelings about the shocking news. Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram are flooded with reactions ranging from sadness to excitement. One fan tweeted, "No, Amanda can't leave 1000 LB Sisters. She's the funniest part of the show. But OMG, I will totally listen to her podcast." Another commented on Instagram, "This is bittersweet. I'm happy for Amanda, but I feel like the show will never be the same without her energy." Dozens of fan pages are now speculating about the podcast's potential launch date and content, with some even suggesting possible names like Keeping It Real with Amanda or Amanda Unfiltered. As of now, neither Amanda nor TLC has issued an official statement confirming her exit, but the buzz surrounding the potential podcast has already ignited massive interest. Whether or not she fully leaves 1000 LB Sisters, it's clear that Amanda is ready to take her career into her own hands and explore opportunities that allow her to connect with her audience in a more personal and meaningful way. If she does decide to quit the show completely, it would mark the end of an era for the series and the beginning of an exciting new chapter for Amanda Halterman. The big question on everyone's mind is, will Amanda's podcast live up to the hype? Given her natural charisma, humor, and unfiltered honesty, many fans believe she could dominate the podcast space just as easily as she stole the spotlight on 1000 LB Sisters. Her ability to mix heartfelt moments with laugh-out-loud humor makes her a perfect fit for the format. Whether she shares behind-the-scenes secrets, offers advice, or simply chats with guests, Amanda's unique voice is sure to capture listeners' attention. Until an official announcement is made, fans will be holding their breath and waiting for Amanda to spill the tea herself. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.